Welcome to my kitchen. In this episode of Anoma's cooking, I am going to show you how to make curry powder at home. So now I am going to show you how to make unroasted curry powder. These are the three main ingredients: coriander, cumin and fennel, and also we add fenugreek seed and cinnamon. So the ratio is 4:1. So I am going to add 4 tablespoons of coriander and 2 spoons of cumin and 1 tablespoon of fennel, 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds and 2-3 pieces of cinnamon. That's it. So we have to grind it into a powder. I ground this. Here is the unroasted curry powder. You can keep it in a airtight container. Now I am going to make the roasted curry powder. So we need coriander, cumin, fennel, cinnamon, fenugreek seeds, cardamom, cloves, mustard, curry leaves and pandan leaves, a piece of pandan leaf and 2 spoons of rice. Rice will thicken the curry. The same ratio as unroasted curry powder. So I put 4 parts of coriander, 4 parts, 2 parts of cumin and 1 part of fennel, and again one full teaspoon of fenugreek seeds and some pieces of cinnamon, 6-7 cardamoms and cloves, 1 teaspoon of mustard and curry leaves and pandan leaf. I am going to add some rice. Three teaspoons of rice. I am going to dry roast on medium heat. You have to dry roast this. Until all the seeds turn brown. Now it is almost roasted. I am going to turn off the heat. After this cools down, we can grind it to a powder. See the color? Very dark in color and smells so good. This is unroasted curry powder. This is roasted. We use these for black curries like chicken curry, beef curry, mostly meat curries. Especially roasted curry powder, you should store in an airtight container. I'm roasting chili pods separately. Like this much, it's okay. Now my chilies are roasted. I ground it to a powder. Normally we use like this: roasted chili powder, roasted curry powder. For more details you can go to I have done a video about all the ingredients of Sri Lankan cooking. There I explained everything. Now you know how to make curry powder, roasted and unroasted both. So join me next time where I will show you how to make a tasty chicken curry.